Hi there, in this video, you will learn about how to auto-hide suspended users from directory using xFanatical Foresight. Managing Google Workspace user accounts efficiently is essential for maintaining security, privacy, and operational effectiveness. One common challenge organizations face is handling suspended users, who remain visible in the Google Workspace directory, leading to confusion and potential security risks. Manually updating directory settings to auto-hide suspended users can be cumbersome, time-consuming, and prone to human error, especially in large organizations with frequent user status changes. That's where xFanatical Foresight comes in, a powerful automation solution that enables administrators to automatically hide suspended users from the directory effortlessly. Let's dive in and see how it works. Sign into xFanatical Foresight with your Google admin account. Go to the Templates page. Search for Auto-Hide Suspended Users from Directory template and click on it. In the Auto-Hide Suspended Users from Directory page, click the Copy rule. For the first-time use of the template rule, and dialog action needed will display requesting necessary permissions required to copy the rule. Click Connect with Google and authorize the permissions. Upon authorization, a dialog titled Copy of Auto-Hide Suspended Users from Directory will display. At the bottom of the page, click Next. Now click Review. In the review screen, customize the automation rule name. Click Create. The rule is created in the Rules page. Verify automation. In order to guarantee that your rule configuration automates as intended, it is imperative to conduct a basic test. Follow these steps to see how xFanatical Foresight seamlessly auto-hides suspended users from the Google Workspace directory. This verification ensures that suspended users are automatically hidden from directory sharing after user suspension, maintaining security and efficiency without manual intervention. Sign into your Google Admin Console. Suspend a user to your Google Workspace. Go back to xFanatical Foresight. Wait a few minutes, and you will get a notification on the top right. In the notification message, click View Log. In the Log Details page, the Rule History section explains the automation history and task xFanatical Foresight has automated on behalf of your Google account. Additionally, to verify directory sharing status, go back to Google Admin Console and click on the name of the suspended user. You'll notice that directory sharing is automatically turned off by Foresight's automated rule. It's simple and easy. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well. To learn more, please visit xfanatical.com.